Right, today I'm going to show you a technique that makes you these things. What that is a t-shirt, and it's a technique that's been referred to across the internet as army rolling or ranger rolling, but to be fair, you're just rolling them up. It's the most compact way of storing your clothes, and it's also not too bad for keeping them crease free, and I'll show you how I made that. It all starts out with a t-shirt. This one is a microfiber t-shirt that I picked up at the Go Outdoors store, or for about £15. And really practical for going away, in that it's moisture wicking and it's very quick drying. So it's ideal, especially in Florida, where you get a lot of sudden rainstorms, and particularly if you go into some of the theme parks, you're going to get wet. So something that dries quickly is a real advantage. It's also really soft and comfortable to wear. Now what you'll notice is along this bottom edge here, I've just turned it over so this bottom part is inside out, and you'll see why that's been done in a moment. So to start off with, we're going to start off by taking the sleeves and just folding the sleeves so that they're inside. Take one side, doesn't matter which, fold it over so it's just about level with the neck opening. Take the other one and then fold it over. Now starting in from the end opposite, where you've turned it inside out, start to roll the garment. So take care, don't get it too loose, but don't worry about getting it sort of like super tight. Then when we get to the end, what we're going to do is we're going to take the underside, we're going to pull it over and just tuck it into itself, which leaves us with this nice tight roll, as you can see here. Now you do that to each of your shirts. You then place those in the packing cubes. It gives you quite a lot of room in your suitcase. You can do the same. You can do the same thing with a number of garments. Trousers, where you're turning those up, you'll be turning those over at the waist, folding them in half, and then rolling them up on the legs and tucking them in. You may, with something slightly less stretchy like that, you're going to have to do a bit more of a turnover at the top to get it in. But that's how I compact my clothes down for packing.